Yay, it's here.
For somebody who procrastinated hard enough for it to show up, sure doesn't make your day.
Yeah. What's in it?
Cardboard. Nothing but cardboard.
I guess these are the legs. Okay, this is a dish.
Okay, I'm done.
Oh, and this is the router.
Yep. And cord for the router.
Mm-hmm.
About it.
Okie doke. And
Directions.
mm-hmm. There's another booklet or some kind of manual inside. Okay. Okay.
What's the question?
How's our Starlink performing?
It works very, very well. Only when it's really raining really hard do you lose signal. Other than that, it's good. I highly recommend it to anybody over here in the Philippines for sure.
Alrighty.